Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your own local Docker registry. So it is super useful for offline developments, and also it helps with faster image pulls, etc. So let's get started. So first we need to make sure that Docker is installed and it is running. For my part, it is all good. Now we will first of all create a volume to persist the data of our registry Docker container, because we don't want the images that are in that container to be deleted upon, for example, a container restart. Now we will create that volume. Now we created our volume called registry data. So we will now run the Docker container official registry image. So now with this command we will run a container called registry that works on port 5000. You can change this port, you can change it with a port that is not in use, but you need to make sure to keep 5000 here and not to change it. We will use our volume that we just created before, and we will use the latest version of the registry official image. Now my Docker container is created. This will spin up a container listening on port 5000. So now it acts as our private Docker hub, and it is all local. You can see the container that is running here. Now we'll be pushing images to that registry. So for the example, we'll use the Nginx image. Let's first of all pull the image from the internet. Now our image is pulled from the internet, so now let's tag it. And now let's push it to the local registry. So now, as you saw me doing, the key is to tag your image with the address of your local registry. So here, the address of it is localhost on port 5000. You can change 5000 with the port you chose before when you created the container. And so that's how Docker will know where to push the image. As you can see here, the push refers to repository localhost 5000. So now you need to know that our container running the registry image will give us access to an API, and we will, with that API, confirm that our Nginx image was successfully pushed to our local Docker registry. We will run the curl following command. As you can see, our repository contains our Nginx image as we pushed it before. So now let's try pulling the Nginx image we just pushed before from our local registry. So we just do this like we would do with Docker Hub. We run the following command to pull the Nginx image we just pushed before. As you can see, the image is pulled, and this proves that your local registry works exactly like a remote one. And that's it. Now you own a private Docker registry in just under 5 minutes. It is very helpful for offline builds and local clusters. It is also very fast because it stores the images locally. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.